Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear those stress. Today's video is question number 2.39 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is the structure of atom. So let's check the question. In Millikan's experiment, static electric charge of the oil drops have been obtained by shining X-rays. If the static electric charge on the oil drop is minus 1.282 into 10 to the power minus 18 coulomb, calculate the number of electrons present on it. So friends, in this question we need to find the number of electrons. So whatever is given, we will write first. Total charge on the oil drop is minus 1.282 into 10 to the power minus 18 coulomb. Now friends, here the minus charge is not involved with the amount of the charge. That is showing the electron is which side it is going. It is coming or it is going. So we will note this negative charge while we are doing the calculations. Now next thing is, as we know, the charge on one electron that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So friends, we need to learn this thing. Last time also I told you need to remember charge on one electron. Now these 2 points we will take and we will start our calculation. So we need to find the number of electrons. So let's start. We can write 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb charge is associated with 1 electron. So 1 coulomb charge is associated with, so we will now we will divide 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb and this electrons. So 1 coulomb charge is for this much electrons. So that 1.282 into 10 to the power minus 18 coulomb charge is with, so then this number will be in multiplication. So it will be 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb multiplied by 1.282 into 10 to the power minus 18 coulomb. Okay, now if we solve this equation, we will find our answer. So let's see. We can write it 1.282 into 10 to the power minus 18 coulomb upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb electrons. Now coulomb will cancel with coulomb. Now if we remove the decimal, what will happen? It will be 10 to the power 3 below side and above side 10 to the power 1, or we can write into 10. Now divide 1282 from 16, we will get the value 80.37 approximate. Now adjust the powers. 10 to the power minus 18 into 10 into 10 to the power minus 19 will go up, become plus 19, into 10 to the power 3 will go up and become minus 3. Now what things we have? We have minus 18 minus 3, it becomes minus 21. Then 19 plus 1, it becomes 20. So 21 minus 21 plus 20 will get the answer minus 1. So here we can write 80.37 into 10 to the power minus 1 electrons. So this minus 1 we will shift the decimal left side one step so that we can adjust the 10 to the power minus 1 and it will become 8.037 electrons. But electrons should be in a accurate number, it should not be in decimal, so we can write it is approximately 8 electrons. So this will be our answer, the charge carried by the oil drop that has 8 electrons in it. So friends, that's all for today in this video. Question easy, answer is, and the calculation is still very easy. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be there with me for the next coming video. Till then, thank you.